All right, we're almost done with June. I've already planned out July for our Hammerhead Cove branch, so now I just need to get everything scheduled in Teamstack. Let's see. We've got our daily morning floor setup sessions, our evening cleanup sessions, and 3 weekly activities: meditation Mondays, cookery Wednesdays, and Friday games night. Let's get all of that scheduled. We'll start with morning floor setup. I'll add a quick note for the team, set the duration to 2 hours, and schedule it across the entire month. Michael usually handles these sessions, so I'll assign him and launch the schedule. Looks like Teamstack has picked up a conflict. Michael is unavailable for a few of these sessions because he'll be out of the country. That's fine. Instead of rebuilding the schedule, I'll just assign replacements for the affected dates. And continue. Perfect. Teamstack is generating all 31 sessions automatically. Much faster than creating them one by one. Nice. Everything has been added to the calendar exactly where I need it. We'll probably run these same sessions again next month, so it makes sense to save this as a template. That'll save us time later. Next up, evening cleanup. Daily recurrence, 2-hour duration, scheduled across the whole month. Angelica normally takes care of these sessions, so I'll assign her and launch the schedule. And there's another conflict. Angelica has marked a few days as unavailable. No problem. I'll assign replacements for those specific sessions and keep everything else exactly as planned. While I'm here, I'll save this as a template too. Now for the weekly activities. First up, meditation Mondays. I'll add a note for the session leader, set the duration to 1 hour and 30 minutes, schedule it every Monday in July, and assign Jimmy. Done. Next is Cookery Wednesdays. We'll schedule it every Wednesday, add the preparation notes, and assign Angelica to lead it. That's ready to go. Last one, Friday Games Night. We'll run this every Friday evening for 2 hours. Since this one usually needs a little more coverage, I'll assign both Knight and Jimmy. Everything looks good. Let's launch the schedule. And just like that, our entire July schedule is planned, assigned, and ready to go. That's Teamstack, planning a month of work in just a few minutes.